Welcome to Kids Entertainment. Hi Leo. How are you today?
Hi, Ms. Green. I'm good, thank you.
Great. Ready for our reading lesson?
Yes. I read the story about the little bear.
Wonderful. What was the story about?
The little bear got lost in the woods.
Oh no. What happened then?
He was scared, but he found his way home.
That's good. How did he find his way home?
A friendly rabbit helped him.
That's nice. What did you think of the story?
I liked it. It was exciting.
Me too. What was your favorite part?
When the bear hugged his mom.
That was a sweet part. Did you learn any new words?
Yes. Woods and scared.
Great job. Can you use scared in a sentence?
I was scared of the dark last night.
Perfect. Now, let's draw a picture of the bear and the rabbit.
Okay.
After that, we'll read another story.
Yay. I love stories.
Me too. You're doing a great job, Leo.
Thank you, Ms. Green.
You're welcome. Let's get started on that drawing.
Okay. But what is the importance of drawing?
Hi, Leo. Look, a drawing of a flower.
Pretty.
Drawing is important. It helps you learn.
How?
You look closely at things. Like the flower's petals.
Oh.
Drawing tells stories. You can draw your favorite toy.
My car.
Yes. Drawing makes your hands strong for writing.
Cool.
It helps you share ideas. Draw a sun if you're happy.
I will.
Drawing is fun and helps you learn.
Thanks, Ms. Green.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.